This week, we leave Utah behind and are headed north into Idaho to try and beat the summer heat. On the way, we discover some real gems and also some hard stoppers.
Oh, man. So, we're heading south instead of north. Why? Somebody's birthday tomorrow. Oh, man.
And where are we going?
Have a look there.
Oakley!
And now we have to go there to celebrate his birthday.
Yeah, his birthday tomorrow. How cool is that? Oakley City and Oakley's RV Park. That's so cool. We have to go. It's like a sign, you know. Oakley's birthday tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
And we're here. And apparently it's still hot in here and we need electric.
Yeah, what is it? It's
91.
91 right
Still,
now. So we will appreciate plugging in. And
Yeah.
this is a city park, $25
Yeah.
a night, including electricity and water. No sewer. But for
Mhm.
$25,
Yeah.
how cool is that?
In Oakley!
Idaho.
Happy birthday, Oakley! Happy birthday, Oakley!
Oh, man. What are we? Oh, it's high pressure. Man, that scared the hell out of me. I just thought we had another blowout. But I guess we have to recalibrate this machine. So yeah, because before we were running 80 psi on the West Lakes. These are 110. So got to recalibrate the alarms. Got to find the instruction manual for that. Oh, that'd be going.
We just had a new tire. Welcome to Oakley. Not much RVs. Yeah.
No, she said there was space.
Yay!
Definitely right.
Oh yeah. So where's the entrance? Oh, this is the entrance. Oh, City of Oakley RV Park. You gonna take a picture there, boy? Wow, like really lots of space, like empty.
So you can see it's such a popular RV spot.
Isn't it good? Only
is
for you,
good.
boy.
Got the whole RV park just for you.
Wow. Which one you want, boy? You get to choose. Zoomies! Oh no, zoomies! Oakley's RV Park! Yay!
Happy birthday, boy!
Oh my god, this is it's like a dog park for Oakley. Yay! Ah, doggy! What a pretty boat.
We haven't had a barbecue, well, since last year. Yep, since last year. We just haven't been RVing until like now. So we're in a city park, which is it's lovely, beautiful grass everywhere. We woke up to a UFO abduction scene last night when we heard this down the wall of the RV. 11 o'clock at night it started. It sounded like torrential rain on the roof of the RV, except it was like directional. It just went and I sprang out of bed thinking, my God, what is that? The UFOs are here. And I'm looking outside, starry night. And as I was out the windows looking, torch outside, flashlight looking around, and then finally I could see sprinklers everywhere here, everywhere. And here's one right here, look. I've covered it up. This little sucker pops up and just goes across our skirt. What the hell is that? So, you stay.
Scary.
Oh,
It is scary.
man, that did my head in.
And then you forgot to close the cabinet.
So I come out here with the flashlight, right? And I'm trying to dodge in the sprinklers. There's 3 of them here somewhere. This was open. I left it open all night, but this was too close to go in. Ah, it's dry, see? Yeah.
Got dry, babe. But
Yeah.
don't do that again.
So it's Oakley's birthday, and this is his birthday barbecue. And he's going to have some New York strip steak here. Yeah. I think this is nearly done. Yep, that's done. No, it looks red, and then when you take it off, it's overdone. So no, it's done. That's yours.
Nice. Thank you, babe.
See, it's overdone.
Yeah, I like it. Someone's waiting. Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Happy birthday, boy. Don't give the fat.
It's a bit hot, boy.
Don't give
You
it
have to wait. So I'm looking at these Salem S637 tyres, which we just spent $1,400 on, and wondering, are they really going to be that much better? They don't look much, you know, they just look like industrial looking tyres. They're 14 ply, you know, they're heavy as. Oh, that's what I was going to mention. So they're 110 PSI. We used to do, on the West Lakes, we're 80 PSI, right? And these seem to ride, and I guess it makes sense. But I can feel in the truck, it's riding rough. So ultimately, that's not a great thing. But if the tyres last longer, that is a great thing. So, I don't know. We shouldn't have any blowouts for some time to come. So that's a good thing, surely, yeah.
What you got in there?
Koto Brewing Company. Anyway, it's Disco Leg IPA.
Oh my double eye.
Yeah, IPA.
What does that mean?
That'll be me shortly.
Elvis.
Ooh. 9.8%. And I'm on number 3. Feeling good. Yeah.
Slow down. It's just. Oh, there, I think I see. With the flag. Looks pretty.
Now turn right onto East Willow Way and then you will reach your destination. You have reached your destination.
Oh, it's good, Sam. Do we have a discount?
I've already paid. And it wouldn't accept discount.
We made it.
Now, time for a beer and a burger.
Mm.
Yes, let's go. On the road again. What a needy cow.
What do you want?
Well, we got an RV behind us. There was one in front of us. And these boondocking sites, there's only 2 or 3 sites. We may pull out the boat. We've had this boat for 2 years now, I think, and we've used it once and it cost $1,000 secondhand. But maybe we'll use it today or tomorrow.